What's good, everybody? This your boy D Money. We on another episode of the A Lot of Fashion podcast, and what we're going to be talking about today is brand versus business. And I pretty much, like to just give you guys gems on this podcast. We pretty much talk about everything business, so we just want to give you everything that you need in order to make your brand or business come to full fruition. So make sure that you like and subscribe, and continue to tap in. I appreciate all y'all for tapping in with us. So like I said, what we gonna get into today is brand versus business. We gonna give you the gems on what the difference is between the two, and how to benefit from both, as they both exist. So let's get right into it. So you have to use branding in order to grow, of course, your brand and your business. Um, when it comes down to it, a business is an operational entity, or a team of people that offers services or produces products to consumers. More often than not, it stays within the realms of business in an industry. A brand is an image or an entity that, excuse me, not an entity, but an identity that a business projects when connecting with customers or their community or audience. Why is it important we have a brand and not a business? Brands have the ability to pivot. They're adaptable. They're able to, reinvent themselves on a consistent basis based on the needs or wants of the customer or audience that they are, providing to. Um, Brands, can build communities. Like I just said, with the ability to, be adaptable to what people need, want, or even just like, it's easier for them to, find the people, connect with the people. Brands can, unapologetically sell. When you create a brand that serves, it's easy to adopt a give, marry me business model. You spend your time, serving others and giving away knowledge, resources for free. But when it comes down to, selling your product, you don't have to feel gross about it, because you're asking your audience for their support instead of just trying to give them a product. The keys to remember when it comes down to branding and business: brand is a perception. It's how customers perceive a company, how they feel about the values, the quality of the brand itself, the products or the services that it provides, and the emotional connection, how people relate to you and your brand is that emotional connection. Business is operations. A business, encompasses the activities involved in producing and selling goods or services included. Um, that's legal structure, employees, physical locations, and more. So it's pretty much just the physical basis of what the business exists on. It's not necessarily the values that you stand by, the morals that you stand by, the missions, and the vision that your brand has as a whole. It's not the story either. It's just the operations. So just an example, Coca-Cola, associated with refreshments and happiness. That's the brand. You know what I'm saying? Um, the business side of it is the Coca-Cola company, the entity that manufactures and distributes the beverages provided. So this is the difference between a brand and a business when it comes down to it. Your business, like I said, is the operations, the things that go on a day-to-day basis, as far as the creations of or providing of services or products. And the brand is just the emotional attachments, the values, and quality of the business existence. So it's the identity. So just make sure that you keep those things in mind when you are putting together your strategies for your brand, your business, and you're doing certain things to market, promote your brand, and you understand exactly what everything is. Keep visualizing, and I am out. Thank you guys for watching another episode of A Lot of Fashion. We appreciate you guys for liking and subscribing and also staying tuned through the whole episode. Make sure that you take these business gems and start visualizing your purpose. I am out.